Hey guys, it's me, Sans. Just kidding, it's why did I glitch? It's just me as leader. I'm glitching. What's happening? My screen is going fast. I don't know if any of you guys can see it. I'm a survivor, nice. Kinda wanted to be the beast, but that's okay. I'm gonna copyright for that. Nope. I just saw the beast. This is why I'm in here. That's the explanation. Huge explanation. Alright, the beast might be gone, so this is gonna miss. Belt. These go AFK? Hopefully they did. That would be great. I'll come back when I beat this maze. Oh, I just saw a beast. They're in there. I know they are. Alright, they left the Pacific place. But they're still in there. And Pentapolo is in. Because I'm not seeing him. Because I'm lazy. Look here. Kind of post take on it. How do you was it E or C? No, C to call. E to interact. I got no one's in front of. I can't now. So I'm useless. I'm just gonna walk behind it. The beast is nearby, but I'll have my earbuds today because I'm not talking. Oh no. Why am I not talking? Like, they can't hear me through my tablet, right? Wait, can they? Never tell that. Naughty. Will RP put up on that? Yeah. Ambulance is that. I'm just gonna be hiding in here. I'll pause the video until this one ends. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm about to die. Dang it! No! We're going. You hear that? You hear that? Look how hard I'm clicking the button. No! Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. No. What? Mercy. God dang it. I'm pretty sure I'm dead. Susan, you ran out. God dang it. I got how many points? 0. There's great now. Here's how I do. It's hard now. Like I said, because I'm lazy. Well, I might end the video here. But this is short, so. No, I'll do the second part, and I'm just wait until everything is counting it down. First, we're gonna warm up, and this is the classic of the maps. Most classic map in the game. Alright, I am a survivor again. Alright. Go. Is there possibly a computer up? Nope, no computer. That sucks. I don't even know if I can hack a computer because I'm on mobile. Crawling on my tablet. Yeah. Crawling everywhere. Yeah. Probably licking the floor and it tastes bad. Yeah. Open doors at. Someone left. Oh, this is the same thing I was in earlier. You can't find computers for some reason. That's unfortunate. Get it, because Minecraft is a gem and that's fortune. Get it. Get it. You better get it before you get smacked. Flip. Ah! No! Hear that? That's a 9-year-old smashing the finger on top of the... Dang it. Oh, that's a Naruto run. He's a camper. Oh, I'm sorry that he's on recording. I'm recording, camper. Ha. You can beat that, son. Wow. Well, that was the other round, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.